Hi my dears, today I'm gonna show you how to make cute pumpkin earrings. I already made a pattern. Yes, you can see it. Now the leather, orange leather, two kind of leathers. As you see, they are different. This one is more like pumpkin, pebble leather. This one is softer. And also we will need a black leather. So let's get started. First with the orange leather, just draw the pattern. Don't forget 2 times, because we will have 2 earrings. I will try to draw the pattern on the orange leather, you see, this time with a pencil, but I'm not sure if the pattern will be seen well enough. So let's try. If the result is not good, we will repeat it once again with the pen. As you see, the result is not so good, so the second time we will make it with the pen. Now let's cut our pumpkins. Nothing special in this operation, so just you will need a sharp scissors and gently cut it. As you see, I'm almost done. I already cut 3 pumpkins because I will show you 3 options: simple and more, let's say, complicated, but I'm not so sure it will be complicated for you. They will be more extravagant, so let's make the first one. And this is the hole for the ear hook. I use sterling silver 925 and just put the jump ring and the hook. It's done. Now is show time. Let's try this option. This is the simple option. As you see, they are elegant, very lightweight, and with my glasses you will have a little bit more extravagant style. Now the second option. For the back side, the black leather, again I will glue them, so you will see. I will use glue for leather, and let's start. First, put the glue on the back side. The second pumpkin also will be ready soon, and a little bit more glue. It's done, you see. Now the black leather, just put a little bit glue like a circle, because the point is the glue not to be seen. Gently press it with your fingers. Hammer time. Gently. It's done. You can see it. Now the second earring, I will use a little bit bling bling, seconds fabric piece. It's very funny, yes, because it's shining, more extravagant, and I think it will be more interesting. Gently trim the seconds. Just a little bit to not see them, and again cleaning a little bit, yes, and this time you can use more glue. Stick it well, very well. Glue on the back side and glue on the leather too. Again, take it and just, you see, and just gently press it. I will cut the two pieces because it will be easier to sew them. You see the result. Hammer time. And the two pieces, the two options are ready. I have to change the threads. Now I will use a bright orange thread, making my jack ready for work. And changing the color. I use a professional sewing machine, as you see. Now let's get started. Stitch by stitch. It's a little bit tricky, but with a lot of patience, everything is done. Cut the threads, you see the result. And again, cut the threads on the second one and burn them to stick. Here are the two options, one simple and one with bling bling sequins. Gently cut the black leather. I use it as a lining, you know. Just gently to not cut the stitching. And the first one is almost ready. Back side and front front side, yes. Again, this one I will show you another option. The black leather will be seen. Just leave a millimeter, not more, when you cut it. They are ready. Which one do you like more? Now let's make holes for the jump rings. Repeat it twice. Okay, we are done. And now the silver jump rings and hooks. Almost done. Yes, it's easy because the jump rings are bigger size than the normal for earrings. Second one. I really like these smiling faces. Okay. So you can see them smiling and shining. And now, showtime. You can see the blink blink. Let's try them. First one with the sequins. Yes. And the second one, just plain black on the back side. Not bad, right? Now a little bit more style, and ta-da! I think you will like them. Thank you for watching, and wait for more from me. I hope you like it. Thank you.